Ramadan is the ninth month of the Muslim lunar calendar year and is an annual holy month of fasting and spiritual renewal. It is a time to reflect spirituality, build community, and those in need, spend time with friends and families, and celebrate and express gratitude. We have a Dublin Muslim Cultural Society, Rabia Badar, to accept the proclamations. And also there's a Muslim Community Center East Bay, Seema Badar.
So good evening, Mayor and respected council members. First of all, thank you so much for recognizing Ramadan with this proclamation. On behalf of as a board member of the MCC East Bay, I'm very deeply grateful to you and grateful for the city of Dublin for this proclamation and for your continued commitment for inclusion of our community and our partnership. Ramadan is a very sacred time for us as Muslims. It's a month of reflection, gratitude, service, and at MCC East Bay, these values guide our work year-round. For example, is our food pantry, which now serves hundreds of households in the Tri-Valley, serving Dublin, Pleasanton, and all across the Bay Area. Through these partnerships with the Alameda County Food Bank and local organizations, we provide fresh produce, staples, and essential items, ensuring families can access food with dignity, especially during these challenging times. Beyond food security, MCC supports refugee families, provides emergency assistance, offers educational and youth programs, and engages in interfaith and civic work, all rooted in the belief that caring for our community is a shared responsibility. This work would not be possible without your support, so we thank you so much for continuing to support us, and we really stand with you for recognizing our values and the values that Ramadan represents. Before I conclude, I'd like to uplift the next generation of leaders in our community. I'm honored to introduce my daughter, Rabia. She's an 18-year-old student from Averroes High School. She was the recipient of the Three Valley Community Foundation Next Gen Award, the Young Philanthropist Award, and she's going to speak on behalf of the Dublin Muslim Cultural Society. Thank you.
Good evening, Mayor, council members, community staff, and members of the community. My name is Rabia, and I'm a senior at Averroes High School. It's an honor to accept the Ramadan proclamation on behalf of the Muslim Cultural Society of Dublin. Ramadan is a month rooted in reflection, generosity, connection, and we're grateful to the City of Dublin for recognizing it and for fostering a community where people of all backgrounds feel like they belong. The spirit of connection is at the heart of our upcoming events. This Ramadan, we're bringing neighbors together at our community iftar on Friday, February 20th at 5:30 p.m. at Meze and Mocha in Livermore, hosting a food drive to support the Dublin Unified School District Food and Assistance Pantry from March 9th to March 23rd, and celebrating Eid al-Fitr with the city on April 21st at the Civic Center, followed by Eid al-Adha on May 30th at the Dublin Senior Center. Each of these moments is about service, celebration, and building relationships across our city. As a young person involved in community service, it means a great deal to see our city uplift faith communities and celebrate people and to come together in meaningful ways. Thank you to the City of Dublin for this proclamation and for your partnership and for helping make Dublin a place where everyone feels welcome. Thank you, and Ramadan Mubarak.
Thank you very much. So we have proclamation for you to accept. We made 2 for each of you. Great work. Thank you.